Hello everyone and welcome to Talk Help Guy. Today I'll be teaching you how to view your Google password on your phone. So very quickly, what we want to do is we first want to open up our Gmail account. So once we have our Gmail account open, let's click on the three lines on the left corner and then scroll down a bit and you'll find settings. So just click on settings, click on the account that you want to manage. And then here we can see different functions for us to manage our account. And what we want to do is we just want to stay up, scroll up, and then click manage your account. So here in manage your account, you can access either your home account, your personal info, data privacy, and of course, what we want to access is our security. So this is one way of viewing your password. If you have forgotten your password, the best way to view your password is to actually just change it. So click on password and this will automatically verify your account and then ask you to change your password or to provide a new password. Afterwards, just go back and the password has been changed. But if you want to view your password, another way to do this is by scrolling down all the way to the bottom. And here you can see password manager. So just click on that. Well, currently I don't have it on my phone, but if you save your passwords on any device, on your device, then most likely, most certainly, it will appear here on password manager and you can view your username and your password in this application. So that's it for today's video. We hope you were able to learn something from this video and hopefully you liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.